First of all, we will be looking at the nth term, and so the relationship between the number of a term and the coefficient. You should see that the coefficient of d is one less than the number of the term in a arithmetic sequence. So with this question, we are going to be looking at that and also the sum. So we're basically trying to build formulas. And when we've built those formulas, we'll often use simultaneous equations to find an unknown value or values. The ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 22, so a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8d is equal to 22. The sum of the first four terms is 49, that's next. So the sum now, it might look a little bit difficult when you're first seeing these kinds of questions, but you just have to break it down, simplify it as much as you can. So the sum of the first four terms is 4 over 2, which is 2. 2a plus n minus 1. Do we have that? We do, 3. So 3d is equal to 49. And so just multiply that out, expand your bracket, so to speak. From there, we can, of course, as I said, use simultaneous equations to find either a or d, in whatever order you want. Whichever one seems easier, I suppose. A plus 8d is equal to 22, and 4a plus 6d is equal to 49. You could multiply up to get the d, but I think you're better off using a just for the mental maths if you're going to do it like that. Of course, you have a calculator, but 4 times our first equation seems like the easier choice. So 4a plus 32d is equal to 88, and from there we can find one of our unknown values. So same sign, subtract is a little mnemonic, and you should end up with, actually it's a fraction, so don't think that these will always be whole numbers. You have a calculator at your disposal, use it if you need to. 26d is equal to 39. You don't really need your calculator, but just in case. So d is equal to 3 over 2. So once you've got d, you can plug it in. You can substitute it back in to one of the original formulas or one of the original equations. Just pick the easiest one, whatever suits. So a plus 8 times 3 over 2 is 22, and from there you can find a. So we now have our first term of the progression and the common difference. So d was 3 over 2, or 1.5 if you want, 1.5, and a is equal to 10. The nth term of the progression is 46. So our motivation here is that we have some aspects, we have some answers already. Let's put it together. Just remind yourself, your nth term, of course, is n minus 1d plus a. So find the value of n. This is our second part for this question. So a is 10, and n we don't really know yet. We're going to find that. So n minus 1 times 3 over 2 is indeed 46, as given. And just cancel your 10, so you have minus 10 on both sides. Just cancel using your usual algebraic manipulation, and you'll end up with 3 over 2n minus 3 over 2 is equal to 36. Again, cancel with positive 3 over 2 on both sides. And you'll have 37.5. And then divide both sides by 3 over 2, and you'll get 25. That was Sequences and Series for Cambridge Pure 1 or AS Mathematics.